Welcome back to another episode of The Daily Dope. I'm your host, Jean-Paul, bringing you that daily dose of knowledge and experience share. All right, today, this one comes from Karen Fallout. This is the topic for today. It says, she said, be true to your word, don't lie, or think you're sparing my feelings. Be true to your word, don't lie, and don't think that you're sparing my feelings. Oh, here's a really good one. I've got a famous line that if you hear this line from me, this is just it. Like if you hear this line from me, this is my I don't care anymore line. I just give up. 2 words. That's unfortunate. That's unfortunate. It's when I give up. I don't want to argue. I don't want to go back and forth. He said, she said, or try and figure it out. I just give up because we've got a whole lot of things going on. Everyone does. Let's move forward out of this. And sometimes you just need to Control Alt Delete people or things from your life. If they're not bringing any value anymore and there's not an equal exchange of energy, or if they're trying to draw from your energy too much and just are soul suckers, that's a word, soul suckers. Forget about it. I mean, guilty by association. Who you surround yourself with, you will be perceived as similar or in that circle. And do you want to be in that circle? So be true to your word. I've had in the past dealings with business partners on different ventures, and other people have had the same sort of thing, I'm sure, where people come in and they overpromise and it just sounds so amazing, and the person you're speaking with is a shooting star. And remember, shooting stars burn out. So shooting stars, just to paint the picture of the world, so enthusiastic. They just have a way with talking to people and making it exciting, and it's so fun and charming and all that good stuff. And they're really talented. So if these people would use their powers for the force of good, they would be unstoppable. Unfortunately, a lot of these shooting stars like to rush through things. And like I say, if you rush it and you cut corners, eventually it'll roll downhill. If you cut enough corners, it'll roll downhill. And both of those came true. Shooting star burned out, cut corners, it all rolled downhill, didn't pay people what they were supposed to be getting paid, didn't stick and was not true to their word. They were not true to their word. So after, multiple kind of attempts and even a couple different business ideas with this particular person or individual or group, however you want to think about it, I just had to say that's unfortunate and just stop the social media conversations. No likes, no posts, not even on the birthdays, just a simple removal. You got to cut out the cancer or it spreads, and that's unfortunate. That's unfortunate, especially when you try. There's only so much you can try before these business dealings or personal things going on, they don't work out. And you might be better for it. You really got to look at your life. I can't tell you about you. I can only tell you about me. And it worked out for the better for me and my family. So I hope this brings you some value. And remember, you don't want to hear those words from me. Or maybe you do. I don't know if you want to hear from me or not, but that's unfortunate. It's kind of like saying your parents are not mad at you, they're disappointed. All right, guys, I hope this hump day is a positive one for you and it brings you a lot of value with these videos. I love you all personally. I really enjoy the messages, the text, the emails, the DMs. It's really awesome having the conversations behind the scenes with you guys. Like I said, it's not the biggest audience, but it's the right audience. And you know what? We are together. Thanks, guys. Remember to check out jeanpaul.com. That's JEAN-PAUL.com for more episodes of The Daily Dope, the JPEG podcast. Thank you.